Maybe I'll make a YouTube video. How to play stream bingo. Let me explain to you guys how bingo works. How to join. Scroll down to my panels. There's an extension called Stream Bingo right here. And to join, you click onto the Join Game tab and click Join Game. You're then given a card, and as you can see, there are some numbers that are highlighted. So 1 is someone gifted a sub, so you can click that to lock it in. Number 3 is 5 new subs, click it to lock it in, and 12 is 5 gifted subs, so you can click it to lock it in. To know which events are corresponded to which numbers, you hover over the number. So if you hover over like 29, it says Elsie plays Timo. If you hover over 23, gets an AFK. If you also click into active game, you can see all the events that can appear on your board. And then once you get 5 numbers in a row, so it can be like that, or diagonal, then you can click on this bingo button and your name will appear somewhere here and say, congratulations, you won. You got number 1 or you got 2nd place. Congratulations! Let's go! Congrats, Blazipo. And Corey! Congratulations, Corey. Some events are automatic, and some events I have to trigger myself. The subs, the followers, and all that is connected to my Twitch, so the extension knows. Sheesh! Hey, look! It happened, the bingo event. Thank you, Lance, for the 5 gifted. But obviously it doesn't know like if I get a pentakill or anything. Those kind of things, like Wild Rift related events, I would have to trigger it. It will be a little hard to do it while playing Wild Rift, but after every game I can check it off. Or if I have mods here, they can also check it off. There is a leaderboard section right here. It shows the top bingo players, and you earn points by joining a game, getting bingo, or also buying an extra card, you get points. You can buy more than 1 card if you want with bits. Even if you join, you get 10 points. But you get the most by getting bingo first. And then 2nd place gets a decent amount, and then 3rd place also. But after 3rd place, everyone else gets the same amount if you get bingo. For me, I was thinking whoever is number 1 on the leaderboards at the end of the month, I am going to give them VIP for next month. Or if they're already VIP, they can choose between a gift sub or maybe emote stickers. If no event has been triggered in a while, then I can choose to start a voting session where you guys can vote on a number to be called. So that event doesn't necessarily have to happen, but if we all vote on one number, then we can call it. I think I'm gonna do it at the very end, just so we can get everything in. So I'm gonna start auto call vote. Start. Someone's voting for a 10, a 23. What do I want? 19. You can only vote once. If you are on mobile, go to the chat section of the stream and you'll be able to see the 3 extensions that I have. Click on that and then you'll be able to join. Thanks for watching, and let me know if there are any questions down below in the comments. Also, let me know if you like a video about how to set up bingo as a streamer. Like and sub for more. Sheesh! And if you guys would like to see me play games live, check out my Twitch channel at twitch.tv/elsieyouagain. I stream every Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 5 p.m. Pacific time. I'll see you there!